Hello and welcome to the first of the privacy compliance implementation videos. These videos will assume that you have gone through the strategies and best practices section of the certification first. We are going to dive in and see how to set up these scans in the correct manner in order to properly do privacy compliance monitoring. So getting right into it, this first training will be focusing on the test scenario settings of an audit. To illustrate sort of the end goal here, I can show you 4 audits that we have created, and they are testing different scenarios. Our website has a consent management technology, and it will behave differently depending on a number of factors, such as where the visitor to the website is coming from in the world. Are they opting in? Are they opting out? Are they doing nothing with the consent banner? Are they activating GPC? So you will want to consider testing for every scenario that has different functionality. We're going to go right in on the top right, click that plus icon, and then click Create a New Audit. We are then going to give the audit a name. So we will indicate op.com. We want to do a scan of our site. We want to run this weekly, which is what we consider best practice to scan your site for privacy compliance. We're going to say France. We want this to run from France, and we're going to say opt out. This is meant to be an opt out scan. And I'm going to add another detail, and that is that this is a default opt out scan. We are emulating a scenario where the visitor just visits the site. They're not interacting with the consent banner at all. Now, if we were to have a site visitor from France, we would expect that our consent technology opts them out if they do not interact with the consent banner at all. That should be the default state of how we respond to that visitor from that region of the world. We're going to change the location setting to reflect that. We'll say Paris. Now for this scenario, that is it. That is all we have to do for test scenario. Other toggles that you may want to consider is send GPC signal. You can learn more about what this means, but it stands for Global Privacy Control. It is a signal that most consent management technologies should respond to. So that's a scenario in and of itself. We're going to talk more about how we can have opt-in versus opt-out on a future video, but as far as test scenario goes, those are the main things that we want to be thinking about. And we will move on to the next section.